4 killed, 3 injured in Mutare, Masvingo road horror crash. The 30th of August 2025, by a correspondent vertical bar Mutar. 4 people were killed on the spot, while 3 others sustained serious injuries on Thursday when a Toyota Fortuner GD6 overturned along the Mutare, Masvingo road. The SUV, carrying 7 passengers, veered off the highway before rolling several times, leaving a trail of mangled wreckage. The vehicle's roof was torn off, its doors ripped apart, and the front end crushed beyond recognition. Shattered glass and scattered debris littered the tarmac, while the twisted frame lay half-buried in roadside dirt. Witnesses described the crash as one of the most gruesome in recent months. Survivors were pulled from the wreck and rushed to hospital for urgent treatment. Police confirmed the fatalities, but said the names of the deceased would be released once families have been notified. The tragedy adds to a string of deadly crashes on the Mutare, Masvingo route, widely regarded as one of Zimbabwe's most dangerous highways. This is a developing story,